Using Google Chrome, you can quickly create a QR code for any website. All you need to do is launch the browser and then open the website you want to create a QR code. For instance, I'm going to open my website, and with the website open, go to the address bar on the right hand side and click on this little icon right here. When you click on that, you should see this menu, and from the menu you have the option to create QR code. So select that and it immediately generates a QR code for that website, and you can go ahead and even download that QR code onto the computer. Let me save mine on the desktop. You can rename it, or you can see its QR code for the website. It's a PNG image. You can save it into your computer, so now you can quickly access that QR code as an image file, which you can then print or do whatever you want to do with. That's basically how you can create a QR code easily for any website using Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions below. Good luck.